Hey friends, welcome back to More with Marquita. So, question of the day: do you prefer a stunning table or a nice tablecloth for your dining table? Mom wants a table upgrade and she prefers a tablecloth. So, we're taking these Better Homes and Garden curtains and we're gonna make something. It's so hard to find matching decor for your home. You can find the curtains, but there's no tablecloth and no matching pillows or anything. So I decided to make my own. I don't know if y'all like option one, which is the gold taking over the table, or option two, which is where I use the floral pattern all over. I'm gonna go with the gold fabric tablecloth because to me it brings out the floral pattern more. I'm going to begin the process by ironing my fabric completely, and then I'm going to combine two pieces of gold fabric with a French seam. I'm doing this because I really want it to stay together. And here's the final look at the French seam. It really makes it look clean and really put together. Next, I put my fabric on my dining table and I'm going to measure around 5 inches. I want the length of the overhang to be 5 inches long. After cutting off the excess fabric, I spray my fabric with Febreze and I'm placing it in the dryer so I can release all wrinkles that I've made from sewing. Next, I'm creating a seam to push my elastic through with a safety pin. It's really simple. You just push and pretty much pull through the elastic to the other end. I sew my elastic together. Next, I'm going to pull my elastic as tight as I can. I'm pulling the elastic to ensure that it stays to the table and that it's fitted the way that I want it to. Here's a final look of my DIY tablecloth. I'm also adding the floral curtains as a table runner and then some table decor that I got from Kohl's. These were $4. And here's a final look of my setup. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment below if you prefer matching table decor all the way through the kitchen. As always, I love you all so much. I will see you in the next one.